Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Brave. You go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Brave. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. If you find update here on Brave app, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.